Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'll be using these Dollar Tree baskets and candle holder to make a stack tray. I took the larger rectangle basket, put a piece of cardboard underneath it, and marked off the bottom of the basket. So that piece will fit right inside that basket. I took that piece of cardboard and laid it out on this self-adhesive. I folded the excess paper over the other side, and on the corners I just cut little strips off so it folded nicer, so you didn't have that piece hanging over on each corner. And then took another piece of the paper and just cut a piece that will cover most of that one side, so it's just a little bit smaller than the piece of cardboard itself. And then I also did the same process for the smaller basket. And then I took some E6000 and placed it on a bunch of the wiring on the inside of the larger basket, as well as hot glue, and then placed down my cardboard piece I had made. Now, if you want it to be a little bit more sturdier, you could always use one of the Dollar Tree signs and cut it down to size. But for what I'll be using it for, the cardboard worked just fine. Then I used my heating tool to heat back up the hot glue to re-stick it down in case I wasn't fast enough. And then did the same thing with the smaller basket, E6000, and the hot glue. And then I took these dowel caps I got from Hobby Lobby, and I painted 4 of them with black chalk paint, just one coat. And these 3 round pieces also came from Hobby Lobby. They're about 2 inches wide, maybe a little more, and they're a little on the thicker side. You could also use some of the wood slices. Those will work just fine, but I just needed some extra support for my candle holder. Next, I took the dowel caps I painted, used E6000 and hot glue, and glued them on the underneath side of the larger basket. And then I took my candle holder, filled the top of it with some hot glue, and added in a couple of the Dollar Tree square cubes, and then just filled it in with some hot glue. This will give something for the wood round that I'm putting on there. It'll give it something to be more supportive than just the ring of the top of the candle holder. So I hot glued in E6000 the piece on the top of the candle holder, and then the same for the other 2 pieces on the bottom of the candle holder. And then I took E6000 again and hot glue on the bottom of that wood slice on the bottom of the candle holder, and placed that in the center of the inside of the larger basket. And then on the top of the candle holder with that wood slice, put the E6000 and hot glue, and then placed down my smaller basket, just making sure it was nice and centered. And then to make sure that it was all nice and sturdy, I did clamp the cardboard pieces down overnight. And that is it for making this trade basket. It's perfect for displaying seasonal decor or even using on a coffee bar. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.